Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dssenh.dll /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Third method is type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Change to Automatic, start the service, apply, OK. Open Windows Update Service. Change Startup type to Automatic, stop and start the service, apply OK. Fourth method is type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Copy text from description and paste it. Type and a name. Save as types all files. File name with .bat extension, click Save. Right-click Run as administrator. Restart system. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Media Creation Tool in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Click Accept. Click Next. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.